Okay, raise your hand if you've heard the old saying, Iceland is green and Greenland is ice. Well, spoiler alert, they were right. Greenland isn't exactly a tropical paradise, but guys, it is so much cooler, literally and figuratively, than you can imagine. We are talking about a place where the icebergs are the size of skyscrapers. The sharks live for 500 years, and the sun sometimes forgets to set. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the world's biggest island to show you why this frozen giant needs to be on your bucket list. Let's go. First off, let's get the geography straight. Greenland is massive. It's the world's largest island. It's basically the Antarctica of the north, except people actually live here. About 80% of the land is covered in ice. If all that ice melted, global sea levels would rise by like 7 meters. So, it's pretty important stuff. And underneath all that ice, scientists have found rocks that are 3.8 billion years old. This place has been around for a long time. And the wildlife? It's straight out of a fantasy novel. You've got narwhals, the unicorns of the sea, polar bears, and the Greenland shark, which can live to be 500 years old. Imagine being born in the Renaissance and still swimming around today. Now, it's not just ice. About 50,000 people call this place home. The Inuit culture here is incredible and has survived some of the harshest winters on the planet for thousands of years. They call the land Kalalit Nunaat, which means land of the people. And get this, Greenland is prime real estate. The US actually tried to buy the island from Denmark back in 1946 with $100 million in gold. And recently, in 2025, the idea popped up again. But for now, Greenland is staying independent-ish under the Danish kingdom. So, if you visit, where do you go? You start in the west. This is Nuuk, the capital. It's home to about 19,000 people. I know, that sounds like a small town to most of us, but here it's a bustling metropolis. You've got gourmet restaurants, museums, and these amazing colorful houses that pop against the snow. It's cozy, modern, and totally surrounded by nature. But if you want the Instagram shot, you have to head north to Ilulissat. This is home to the ice fjord. This glacier pumps out more ice than you can comprehend. Some of these icebergs are 1 kilometer tall. In fact, legend has it that the iceberg that sank the Titanic came from right here. It is beautiful, but also a little terrifying, right? Now, if you want to see why Eric the Red called it Greenland, you have to head south. Down here, it's actually kind of mild. In the summer, the snow melts, flowers bloom, and you can see old Viking ruins. Check out Qaqortoq. The whole town is basically an art gallery with faces and designs carved right into the boulders. It's super charming and way different from the icy north. Okay, but what if you really want to get away from it all? Like, really away? You go east. This is Itokotomiet. It's one of the most isolated towns on Earth. There are only about 450 people living here, right on the edge of the world's largest fjord system. It's rugged, it's quiet, it's absolutely stunning. If you're lucky, you might even see a polar bear strolling by. Greenland isn't your typical beach vacation. It's expensive, it's cold, and the roads, well, there basically aren't any roads between towns. You have to fly or take a boat everywhere. But that's what makes it special. It's one of the last truly wild places left. It's a place that makes you feel small in the best possible way. So, I have to ask, would you ever visit Greenland? Or is it a little too chilly for your taste? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Stay warm, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.